Miss Datas. Good morning, Alex. How are you today? Alex. Good morning, Miss Datas. I'm good, thank you. I was just researching some travel options for my upcoming break. Miss Datas. Oh, that sounds interesting. Are you planning to go somewhere specific? Alex. Yes, I'm thinking about visiting Dalat. I came across something called the Zoodoo Dalat tour and found some details online. It seems like a really unique experience. Miss Datas. Ah, the Zoodoo tour. I've heard a bit about it. What makes it stand out to you? Tour Zoodoo. Alex. Well, the sources say it's not just a typical zoo visit, but rather a journey to explore diverse animal species and rich ecosystems. You get to interact closely with many rare animals and learn about their conservation. Ms. Davis. That sounds much more engaging than just looking at animals from a distance. What other places does the tour include? Alex, the itinerary seems quite full. After the Zoodoo itself, it typically includes visiting a beautiful hydrangea field, the Domaine de Marie Church, and a place called Puppy Farm. Miss Davis. Puppy Farm? That sounds adorable. What do you do there? Alex. At Puppy Farm, you can meet and interact with many cute puppies. There's also a thrilling dry tube slide experience. And you can visit their vegetable and flower garden. Miss Davis. It sounds like a good mix of nature, animals, culture, and fun activities. What's the typical schedule for this tour? Alex. According to the sources, the tour usually runs from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. They pick you up from your hotel or a meeting point in Dalat to start the tour. Miss Davis. That's a full day. What about the cost? How much is the tour? Alex. The current price for an adult is 579,000 VND. The original price was 645,000 VND, so it seems to be on sale. For children, it's 300,000 VND, and kids under 1 meter are free. There's a policy for children between 1 meter and 1 meter 2, 50% of adult price, and those 1 meter 3 and taller, 100% of adult price. Miss Davis, and what does that price cover? Alex, the price includes entrance fees to Zoodoo, the hydrangea field, and Puppy Farm. It also covers transportation by the company's tour vehicle, a tour guide to provide information, travel insurance, and one main meal for lunch at a local restaurant. Miss Davis. That seems quite comprehensive. Are there any extra costs? Alex. Yes. Personal expenses like buying extra food, drinks like coffee at the Zoodoo Cafe, souvenirs, or animal feed are not included. There might also be a surcharge if your pickup location is far from the center of Dalat. Miss Davis. Good to know. When is the best time to go on this tour? Alex. The ideal time is usually during the dry season, from October to April. The weather in Dalat is very pleasant then, which is suitable for outdoor activities and taking photos. Miss Davis. How do you go about booking this tour? Alex. The sources say the booking process is quite simple. You should contact the tour operator directly. They recommend paying a 50% deposit up front to secure your spot, as Zoodoo often limits the number of visitors per day. After booking, you'll receive an email confirmation. Miss Davis? And what payment methods do they accept? Alex. They mention flexible payment options including online via bank card, direct payment, bank transfer, e-wallets like Momo and VNPay, and credit cards. Miss Davis, that's convenient. Which company offers this specific tour? Alex. The information I found is from Dreamy Highland Tours. Miss Davis. Okay. Do you have their contact information? Alex. Yes. Their address is 123 Pine Hill Road, Ward 5, Dalat City, Lamdong. You can contact them via hotline at 0987 654 321 or 0123 456 789. Their email is contact@dreamyhighlandtours.com, and their website is dreamyhighlandtours.com. Miss Davis. Thank you, Alex. That's a very detailed overview of the Zoodoo Dalat tour. It sounds like a wonderful option for anyone visiting Dalat. Gemonem, Alex. Alex. You're welcome, Miss Davis. I'm quite excited about it.